high wind warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? South to southeast winds 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour for late tonight into Friday morning. Westerly winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour Friday afternoon through late Friday evening. Where? In Massachusetts, Berkshire County. In New York, Eastern Columbia and Eastern Rensselaer counties. In Vermont, Bennington County. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Winds will increase through the overnight, with the strongest south to southeast wind gusts to 60 miles per hour late tonight into Friday morning. Winds will switch to the west for Friday afternoon into late Friday evening and remain gusty. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm, and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.